can't believe that I have just 3 more videos to go to touch the 1,000 video mark. I think I should then pamper myself and celebrate. Yeah, such a it's an achievement. So, in fact, of all my subscribers, this one friend, he is very kind to kind of encourage me and tell me that yes, go for it. It, encouragement always feels good, right? So thank you so much, people. This journey has been possible only because of y'all. So I know this sounds like a film fair speech, but seriously, so no, I'd want to verbally thank the person who's been encouraging me, but that will get awkward, right? So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.